The Samsung's 85-inch class Neo QLED 8K is a masterpiece of modern television technology, designed to deliver an unparalleled viewing experience. Make sure to check the link in the description below if you want to get this smart TV at the latest price available. Its enormous 85-inch screen with true 8K resolution ensures that every detail, texture, and shade comes to life with breathtaking clarity. Samsung's real 8K resolution with AI Upscaling Pro transforms content in real time, thanks to a staggering 512 AI neural networks working behind the scenes to enhance every scene, whether it's a blockbuster movie or a fast-paced sports event. This isn't just a display, it's a window into ultra-realistic, immersive entertainment. The Neo Quantum HDR 8K Pro technology elevates contrast and color far beyond the capabilities of conventional TVs. You'll see brighter highlights, deeper blacks, and a wider color spectrum, all calibrated to showcase visuals with cinematic precision. Combine this with Quantum Matrix Technology Pro, and the result is pixel-level control that enhances light and shadow in real time. Motion blur becomes a thing of the past with the AI Motion Enhancer Pro, which keeps high-speed content crystal clear. Subtitles, sports graphics, and moving objects all remain sharp, ensuring you never miss a moment of the action. The Real Depth Enhancer Pro further adds to the immersion by identifying focal points and adjusting depth for a true-to-life 3D perspective. Audio quality is just as groundbreaking. With Dolby Atmos and Samsung's Object Tracking Sound Pro, audio doesn't just accompany visuals, it chases them. Sound dynamically moves with the on-screen action, creating a rich and dimensional listening experience that fills the room. The NQ8 AI Gen 3 processor drives it all, from advanced picture processing to intelligent audio enhancements. This processor ensures top-tier performance across all smart functions, from content streaming to Alexa voice commands. Housed within the sleek Infinity Air design, the almost invisible bezel maximizes your view and minimizes distraction. Whether mounted or standing, the QN900D makes a bold, beautiful statement in any space, both visually and technologically.